Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you invite to message on your Slack app or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on invitation to connect here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign here, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click on invite to message. In here, can you click here on share? Then can you share it with another people here, or another your contact here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.